Okay, today we're working in the green Big Ideas Record and Practice Journal. We're working on 7.2, and today we are solving equations. The directions state, tell whether the value is a solution of the equation. This is number 4 from your Record and Practice Journal. Essentially what we have to do is they're telling us n is equal to 39. We just simply need to plug in 39 where n is. Is 39 divided by 3 13? If it is, the answer is yes. 39 divided by 3 is 13, so I know that is correct. N is 39. That is a correct solution for that equation. For the second part, we've got number 7 and number 8. It says solve the equation, check your solution. If they are subtracting 16, remember we need to go to opposite land. We need to add 16 to both sides. If we add 16 to that side, the 16s cancel each other off. If we add 16 to this side, we get 23. So B is equal to 23. Now, in order to check my work so I know I'm doing it correctly, we need to substitute in 23, and I'm going to write it right over the top of B. 23 minus 16, is that 7? Yes, it is. So I have checked my work, and I have successfully done that equation. For number 8, it's a little bit more challenging. It's 2/5 plus m equals 5/6. Again, they're adding 2/5, so we need to do the opposite. We need to subtract, we need to subtract 2/5. So we're going to take 2/5 away. That's going to cancel those off, and then we're going to subtract 2/5 over here. And I'm going to move this problem up a little bit so I don't have to reach down. 5/6 minus 2/5. I have to find my common denominator, common bottom number. It's going to be 30. 5 times 6 is 30. 2 times 6 is 12. 6 times 5 is 30. 5 times 5 is 25. So essentially I need to do 25 minus 12 is 13, and that's all over 30. So m would be equal to 13 over 30. Now, same thing, even though it's a fraction, I can still check my work. 2/5, another way of writing 2/5 in our fraction world would be 12 30s. I need to add m right here, I found to be 13 30s. 12 plus 13 gives me 25 30s, and that is a check because 5 over 6, as we figured out right here, 25 over 30 is the same as 5 over 6. So when you're solving your equations, remember to go to opposite land, do the opposite operation that is happening in the problem, and then make sure to check your solution.